Hi everyone, Yuri Omar here, and I'm a UPG Sustainability Leader based in Brazil, and I'm truly passionate about creating sustainable communities and aligning my efforts with SDG 4 and 11. So please, vote for me on the journey to Hurricane Island again. This opportunity means a lot to my project, Sustained by Sustainability, where I've successfully implemented a sustainable system in public high schools here in Brazil, promoting green awareness and inspiring future change makers. And going to Hurricane Island would provide me with the tools and connections and inspiration to bring even greater value to my community and expand our mission of sustainability. So thank you so much for your support and your time. And muito obrigado. And don't forget, together we can make a difference.